psychological, volitional minds and conscience, in which we do have these capacities for agency and even other important elements to understanding agency that are also foundations or preliminary fabrics composing dimensions of optimisms, as well as hopefulness and meaningfulness, as well as endowed purposefulness and intrinsic interests, as well as the enthusing emotions and awesomeness in particular that tends to be highly energizing and future oriented, and which expands the minds and masterfulness of individuals to new heights as a defining characteristic of its qualities and epigenetic structuring and functionalities associated with the release of brain-derived neurotropic factor and nerve growth factor that directly contribute to the improved immunity, optimization of various cellular automaton function, and multi-level functions that extend from that, pertaining throughout various levels of constituency in regards to various structures and bodily dynamics, but also our top-down, more complex psychological structures and functionalities that are shaped and shape reciprocally and dynamically those cellular automaton, in which we are not the same as those cellular automaton, but share an evolutionary history too, and largely they depend on our existence to be able to sustain any corpus that's functional in relation to a physical body and a physical mind that can carry out any sort of consciousness process or intelligible process through the metabolism of various metabolites and essential resources that are needed to be able to supply the energy and materials necessary for the body to, say, construct proteins and form these protein syntheses that repair structures and develop tissues and grow neurons, and also form the chemical compounds in the form of hormones and neurotransmitters that are released in the processing of information